Good afternoon friends. We have given circuit and we have to find out the equivalent resistance. We have to find out the equivalent resistance across the point A and B. Let us first check the given circuit are in series and parallel. So we can see here that 1 ohm and the 1 ohm are in series. So this in series, so 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2 ohms. So we got here 2 ohms. After that, for the better simplification, we have to redraw the above circuit. After redrawing the above circuit, we have to write as it is the circuit, and only this circuit will be written as the 2 ohms. So let us redraw the above circuit. We have means it will be to 1 ohm will be as it is, again 1 by 2 will be as it is, again 1 plus 1 will be equal to the 2 ohms here. So we have written here 2 ohms. Yes or no? This will be equal to the 2 ohms. Again we have given that this is the 2 ohms we have. After that, this one is the 2 ohms we have, and the diagonal value we have given here, that is the 1 ohms and 2 ohms. Yes or no? So as it is, we have to redraw the circuit. Only we have to change the value of the this value 1 plus 1, that is the 2 ohms. Yes or no? Now we can see here that this point and this point will be different. Let us assume this is point C, this is point D. So between these 2 points, 2 resistances are there. If 2 resistances are there, means these 2 resistances will be in parallel to each other. Yes or no? Means we can write here, means Rp1 is equal to 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, means 2 2 is 4 divided by 4 will be equal to the 1 ohms. After that, again we have to redraw the circuit. Don't forget the redrawing the circuit, because it will be better simplification. It gives the accurate answer. So again 1 plus 1 we got here, first 2 ohms. After that, again the 2 and 2 ohms are in parallel to each other, we got the value 1 ohms. Again we have to redraw circuits. 1 plus 1, it will be equal here, that is 1 ohms here. We have redone here the 1 ohms. Yes or no? We have given the point A and B. This is point A and this is point B. Yes or no? We have given here the resistance, that is the 2 ohms. This is 2 ohms. Yes or no? We have the point, this is point C, this is point D. Between C and D, 1 ohms. Again this is point E. Let us assume this is point F. Between D and E, we have given the 1 ohm resistance is there. This is 1 ohm. Between F and C, we have given the, that is the 2 ohms. Yes or no? This is 2 ohms. Now we can see here that this is point C. Can we write here point E? No, we cannot write point here E, because between these 2 points we have not a single resistance. Not is between C and E, not a single electrical element is present here. So if the single electrical element is not present here, so the potential will be same. So the point will be same. So point will be same. Now you can check here that F is given here, again C and C. Between these 2 points we have the 2 ohms and 2 ohms. Suppose we have given the point C and F. This is C and this is F. C and F, we have the value 2 ohms. C and F. Between C and F we have the 2 ohms is given here. Yes or no? This is 2 ohms. Again between C and F another 2 ohms is given here, 2 ohms. So these 2 are in parallel to each other. Again you can see here between C and D. Suppose this is point C, this is point D, this is point C, this is point D. Between C and D, this is 1 ohm and 1 ohm. This is 1 ohms and this is 1 ohm. Both are in parallel to each other. Yes or no? So when you will solve the value of the Rp, means 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, it will be equal to 1 ohm. Similarly, we have to find out the value for this one Rp, it will be equal to 1 by 2 ohms. Yes or no? Again we have to redraw the above given circuit for the better simplification and for the accurate answer. So already we have the 1 ohm is given here. Yes or no? 2 ohms is here. 1 by 2 ohms. 1 by 2 ohms. Between point, this is F and this is point E. This is point C. Sorry, this is point C. Between C and F, we have given the 1 ohms. Between C and F, we have the, that is the 1 ohms. We have written 1 ohms here. Again between the C and D, suppose this is, we have written the point C, between, again this is the point, again we have to find the value here, that is the 1 by 2 ohms. Yes or no? So we have rerun the above circuit and we got circuit like that. Now you can check here and we can see clearly here that these two, 1 by 2 ohms and 2 ohms is in parallel to each other, series to each other. So we have to redraw the above circuit, that is we have given, that is this is 1 ohms, this is 1 ohms, again this is 1 ohm, again this is point A, this is point B, this is point A, this is point B, again 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, we got the how much? We got the point 1 ohms. Again we have to solve 1 plus 1. This point is, these two resistances are in parallel to each other, means Rp will be equal to 1 by 2 ohms. We have to solve the value, we will got the answer 1 by 2 ohms. Again we have to redraw the above circuit, 1 ohm plus 1 by 2 ohms. Yes or no? This is point A, this is point B, this is point A and this is point B, that is the 1 ohms and 1 by 2 ohms. So both are in series, means Rs will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3 by 2 ohms. So we got the one resistance value here, that is this is point A, this is point B, that is the 3 by 2 ohms. Yes or no? So R equivalent will be equal to 3 by 2 ohms. So this is our simplification, this is our answer, that is 3 by 2 ohms. Thank you.